Hi, this is Cecilia, I'm from Spain and this is my second video. Today I'm going to show you how a Valencian man, Gonzalo, prepared the main dish of the east region of Spain, paella.
Hello, I am Gonzalo, Comunitat Valenciana.
We need 1 red pepper, half chicken, 1 rabbit, 2 kilos of rice, 3 bags of vegetables, coloring and paprika, pilotes, special balls of meat, crushed natural tomato and sliced garlic. At first, we put a generous amount of olive oil and add salt. Happiness. It's essential. Bring to a boil and add the sliced red pepper. Once they are fried, remove from the frying pan. Add the chicken and rabbit. Put some liver. Add the vegetables. Add tomato and sliced garlic. Add paprika. Add 3 times as many water as rice. 2 kilos, 6 liters.
3 vegades el volumen d'aigua que d'arròs. I ara, molt de foc perquè això cuina.
Add the coloring agent.
Ya, porque esto no da sabor, esto es solo el color. Antes se ponía azafrán.
Add juice of 2 lemons. Add a cup of red wine. Add some pilotes. Add half the water than before.
Ok, mira, ok. Un poquito de sal. Y ya está. Ahora el arroz.
Add the rice, forming a cross. Add the previous fried red pepper. Remove the fire from the center. Now it's ready to eat. It looks so good. It was delicious. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. Bye.